Hey boys and girls, and welcome to Social Studies. Today we are going to be drawing the homes built by the Cherokee and Creek. So let's look back at the homes we learned about on Tuesday to help us draw them. This is important because we need to be able to describe what the homes look like and compare them. This is an example of the Cherokee homes. They were made out of wood with mud covering it, and then on the top dried grass, and then there's a door for the opening. Okay, so this is what the Cherokee homes look like. This is a type of home the Creek was very similar to what we just saw. They're both called wattle and daub. They have wooden posts covered by wood, and the roof is covered up by dried grass as well. So this is a type of home that the Creek and Cherokee would have lived in whenever it was colder months. And if they lived where it was warmer months, they lived in a house that looked like this. There are no walls. It's just an opening in order for the breeze to go through so it wouldn't get too hot. The floor was raised in order for it to make sure it didn't get flooded whenever there were heavy rains. And then the top was made out of dried grass, and this is called a chickee. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your social studies must do. It is a Nearpod, and you're going to be drawing a Cherokee and Creek home. So go ahead and get started with this, and I will meet you back on Zoom 11:40. We will be at the library, and that is why I'm asking you to come back at 11:40, and we are going to go over some of the houses you built. So that's why I'm going to be asking you to work independently on your own until 11:40. Please make sure that you are back on Zoom at 11:40. Go ahead and get started for your must do.